Edo State Traffic Management Agency (EDSTMA) don yarn drivers wey dey park anyhow and market people wey dey sell for street say make dem stop am and clear the area to allow traffic move freely. Our tori person Osaze Ise Egwaku report say the new managing director of EDSTMA, Engineer Stainless Njegede, waka with him men go some markets for Benin wey include Ring Road and New Benin Market. For there, e come beg and advise market people and drivers say this new government no go wan make dem dey sell for road or park anyhow again. E come also talk say dem go give dem grace till weekend, but from Monday 25th November 2024, dem go begin dey arrest anybody wey no go follow government rules. Engineer Stainless Njegede come talk say the Okpegolo administration ready to set new tradition of discipline for Edo State. E come still talk say im sabi say Edo people get some complaints about some of im workers, but make dem no worry sake of say as im don come, everything go dey in order.
Like say as I come here, I carry load the throw away and we go laugh with each other. This government na new government. Not be government when they destroy load. Not be the government when they spoil people things. So this government in Mina say for this Edo State everywhere go better. That is why for the history of Edo State, no government don't ever talk of flyover road. But this government now, about 3 days ago, they flag off. They don't do flyover for Ekobahi. Una hear them? I think I don't hear them. Una not like them. Who know Abuja for here? Who don't reach Abuja before? Yes. Okay, who don't reach Port Harcourt before? Yes. Who don't reach Calabar before? Yes. He fine or he not fine? That place with Benin, which one fine pass? We don't even want make Benin fine like Akwa Ibom. We want make it fine pass Akwa Ibom. So here when we come so, I know say people don't they talk bad of Benin and Edo people. They say we not they hear word, we not they obey law. They can't even want to talk the worst one. They say we too dirty. Now something made them talk am. Those kind of things when they made them they talk am, we not go to do them. All those things when I first mentioned about Lagos, Abuja, we go better past them, and that is true. So today, I come with some of my men. Me, I be a Edo person, and I dey here with Una. I know what they happen for Edo. Not be every story I go to talk for here now. But I dey see say before, as some people come here now, they go just carry on a load, begin to weigh them. Spoil all these things. Money when they take buy them, it don't go. Me, I don't go do that kind of thing. Me, when I talk to now, so now me be the new boss. When government appoint, say this EDSTMA, now me be their managing director now. Now me be the new Oga. But I don't know whether the former Oga, whether una know him one day. He reach here any day that me come here now, me say me and una na the same. And that's why I want to make it there forever. Maybe if I not there here, maybe una go here say soldier, police just come here, everybody go there run. Not be so we want to do it. Now beg, now come back now today. Sincerely, if human being, if they do wrong thing, at times they know. You go know say this thing when they do so is bad though. Even if person not there, you know say na road with this so. I think I know say for here na motor supposed to they go, supposed to they come. But na road, now we don't they trade so. Normally, we're not supposed to trade for road. All those places when we mention, say he fine. The people obey law. That make government fit turn around, fit turn over. So I come beg now today. Now beg, now I come. People when they shade for center of road. Taxi driver when they let person see road now one lane. You they push motor for your motor they push you. But sincerely, I know it's not so it's supposed to be. I can't beg you. This government, they even get, now una get ambo, now all of una get this government. Now when una don't they relate well with this government, I go no say na good government. Government get each office. Even if you want to complain about the government itself, you get where you go talk am. Say government, see wetin una dey do wrong, see wetin una government when wise, it will change for the better. This government, not be that kind of government when go here say they say do one thing wrong, you go dey first, they fight people. No. Because you not go fit see your eyes except you hold mirror for hand, abi? Now be the mirror of the government, and I go tell government whether they do well or they do badly. But when you know they do well, you not go fit tell somebody say no they do well. Because now government first put law say make them no shade for road. I can't beg una today. This shading for road, these cars when they park for center of road they load. You know they let others they pass road, it's not good. I think that they see ring road as it can't be before now. Anybody reach ring road yesterday? Any person pass ring road yesterday? Nobody here when pass them. What do you see when you pass them? I think it's free, everybody they move. And as it's supposed to be, and so it go be, and so it go go on. You can't beg now. This shady for road, I don't want for my time. Make I hear say market women and government people that they fight, that they destroy people. I not go like them. Therefore, we go leave road for motor. We go come on for road. We not go the shade for road. Make motor they pass. Government won't even not be una complain though. I know say some of una. It gets some union when not they let una sell. Say you not did the union. I think gets some union say if you not join and you don't go sell. But recently, government say no. Anybody when get money to buy something when wants to make it go buy sell. So far you sell them outside the road. They say any union when hold you make you not sell, tell us, we go arrest the person. Government say no such union. You they sell Gary, you tell somebody say make it not sell. Wait till you go take it. Because of Unana government do that one. So the only thing, as government get una concern for heart, una go get government concern for una. Una come on for road for motor. Make una not shade for road again. The motor themselves, make them know the load for center of road. Which excuse motor they give? They say they know they see where to park, and they call they park for roadside. So we beg una go move come out for road, we not go the shade for road. By today, as they come so, the order be say make them evacuate everybody. I'm not supposed to be, I'm supposed to come stand for you, no. But I say I go come stand for you. I don't want me to carry anybody load. If now government when won't speak grammar now, if I just come say I give you a tomato, 1 hour, in 1 hour time, they cannot see you here. But our own, our government when they speak Bini, government when they speak Ishan, government when they speak Afema, government when they speak Yoruba, government when they speak Ijo, now be this government. The government can't even go down, can't they speak Pidgin. So we get everything. As we they play the lap, so that's why I want to make a day every day for this government. This government, waiting you get when one show like plenty, but we go give them peace till to them. Some Lagos people that they laugh us, we don't want me that they laugh us again. Some Calabar people that they laugh us, say don't be like this, and be like that. So to short the matter now, I beg, make we not shade for road again. Me, I use my power. This one now, the one when government give me, now be like say I won't come the court join. Government say make they evacuate people for road. I go do that one, but I go beg government. It's supposed to start today now. Me, as I come out here, so I go beg government say, when I look their faces, get the style when I want to take one. Now go even help me remove people for this road, and I know it. Next time now you go tell somebody, say come, you know here say they say me they no shade for road. So as I come on here, so make una dey sell for today. As una dey shade since now, nothing go happen. Tomorrow now, una go shade, nothing go happen. I know say some people still dey come on Sunday, nothing go happen. Where grammar government for give you ultimatum, me now, our government will not be grammar government, we give una days of grace. Not be ultimatum. Ultimatum, and that won't be harsh one. This one are days of grace. Nobody they carry una load today, nobody they carry una load tomorrow. Next tomorrow will be Sunday. Well, after church, I see people they come here. But by Monday, we want make una prove to every person when they say we dirty, we not they hear what. We want prove to them say we be human being, we not be animal. So make we use our own mind to take common for it. As from Monday, I come here now. Monday, I not go follow them come here. I don't know what will happen. I won't say as they come, as I they laugh, so make una with them see they laugh that Monday. So now I come back. Now well done.
Make una not forget say as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.